Okay, so this is my instrument, the LapPipe. It uses a force sensitive resistor which sits just outside the pipe, and uses a infrared resistor which is inside the pipe, and controlled by moving this slider I created from old piece of material, and that controls the infrared resistor. If we look inside the pipe, the Arduino is attached to this board, and the infrared resistor sits the opposite end of this board, and the wires run inside, and it's pretty secure. These markings here are just markings for performance, for different sections I need to be in with the infrared resistor to control different parts of the patch. Okay, so the max patch, this is where my information is coming in from my sensors. My FSR is coming in here, my IR is coming in here, and then my two switches are here. These are just clocks on the switches to allow me to double tap and stuff like that to start off different patches. So my cross synthesis is here. It's controlled by the black button on the pipe. Every 4 clicks of the black button will change the audio that's in the buffer in groove, and then over in my patch here, for a double click of the black button, it changes this switch, so it allows me to actually send messages to this patch, and it works like this. Tiger is dead. And then I have FM synthesis here, which is controlled using both the infrared resistor and the force sensitive resistor. When the infrared resistor is in a certain position, it opens this gate here, which allows the force sensitive resistor to control the amplitude of the actual synthesis. And the infrared resistor at the same time is controlling the frequency. And then the red button on the pipe controls the LFO rate. So there's 5 different settings for the LFO rate there. It's 0, 1, 4, 8 and 16. Then the next part I have is wave shaping. This wave shaping takes place on the cross-synthesized sounds, and as you can see here, it's going mad at the moment because the clock isn't stopped, but it's turned on when the red switch is left open for more than 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. That switches this switch here to allow the infrared resistor to control the center frequency of the band, and it allows the force sensitive resistor to control the Q and the gain values of the band. Each time the gate is left open for more than two seconds, that randomly selects either a bandpass or a peak notch filter, and then the sounds are filtered through that like this.
The Celtic Tiger is dead.
Okay, and the final part of the patch is control. It's a reverb, and it's basically one setting that's loaded at the start, but then it's actually put onto the whole sound, and this is controlled by the FSR. So the harder I press down on the FSR, the more wet signal I'm getting, and once it's released, I'm just getting dry signal running through this patch, but the wet signal is controlled then by the FSR, all running into this final gain sliders and into my DAC, and that's my patch.
Property and construction market now at a standstill. Property and construction market now at a standstill.
The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming
Property and construction market now at property.
The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. Fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. Booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy.
The Celtic Tiger is dead. The Celtic
The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the
property and construction market now at a standstill. Property and construction market now at a standstill.
The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger. The booming building fuel the
Celtic Tiger is dead. The Celtic Tiger is dead.
The booming building.
Property and
the booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy. The booming building fuel the Celtic Tiger economy.
The Celtic Tiger is dead. The Celtic Tiger is dead.